Come to questions to the Secretary of State for Education. I start with Bob Blackman.
Question number 1, Mr. Speaker.
Question 1.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'm answering this question on behalf of the Secretary of State, who, as you know, is isolating, having tested positive for COVID over the weekend. May I offer my condolences to the family and friends on the day of the funeral of the late member for Birmingham Erdington. Our top priority remains to protect face-to-face education, to reduce transmission of COVID-19. Regular testing continues across education and childcare, with over 109.5 million tests completed. A further £8 million will support the in-school vaccination programme, and to improve ventilation, we've delivered over 353,000 CO2 monitors and purchased up to 9,000 air cleaning devices.
We now go to Bob.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I express my sincere condolences to the Mother of the House and the entire family on the sad loss of the member from Birmingham Erdington. I'm sure my honourable friend would join me in thanking and congratulating the head teachers and staff of all of our schools, but particularly in Harrow, for keeping the schools open as often as possible so that children can learn as they should in the classroom. Will he, however, join with me in expressing a view that forcing young children aged 7 for 7 hours a day to wear a face covering is unfair, and particularly to those that are hard of hearing?
Minister.
Well, I join my honourable friend in paying tribute to the immense contribution of teachers, leading and all who work in our schools. And we've consistently seen 99.9% of education settings open to support face-to-face education. And the Secretary of State always said that whilst Marston's classrooms were brought in for a period as we tried to study the impact of Omicron, they should not be in place for a day longer than necessary. And we no longer recommend them, and no child should be denied the opportunity to study for refusing to wear a mask.
Catherine West.